Hey folks, Jason here from JS Auto Fix. So I got a 2004 Honda Accord. It's my daughter's car. She has no heat when she's idling. She has lots of heat when she's driving. I thought it may be an airlock issue at first, but I took the car for a drive and the temperature gauge isn't fluctuating, it's staying the same. The car's not overheating, any of that stuff. So it leads me to believe that it needs a heater core flush. It's not getting enough coolant when it's idling. It's probably plugged in the bottom. Anyways, I got a couple hose clamps on there so I don't lose all the coolant. I'm gonna pop those two hoses off. One, two, and hook a garden hose up to it. Now that my flushing's all done, I see this is the hose I had made here. Just a hose with a garden hose end on it. So now that that's done, I put my bottom heater hose back on, and I'm gonna fill this up with coolant so there's not a bunch of air in the heater core. And then I'm gonna put the hoses back on and start it up and see what we got. So I've done the flush. Still no heat when it's idling. Lots of heat when the cars are revving, but no heat when it's idling. I believe there's probably rust and calcium buildup in there. So I put a hose on the bottom of the heater core and got a funnel. I'm gonna put some CLR in there and let it soak for a bit and then flush it out again and try that.